Hi everybody, my name is Michelle and I work at the Discovery Museum. And I would like to show you guys a cool science activity you can try at home about inertia. Inertia is the first law of motion. It states that an object at rest wants to stay at rest and an object in motion wants to stay moving until another force acts on it. For example, this roll of tape is at rest, and it's going to stay resting until a force acts upon it. Now, there are some very interesting activities you can try at home using inertia. For this one, you'll need a cup of some kind. You can use that same playing card and penny.
One penny.
Just one this time, exactly. What you're going to do here is you're going to try to yank the card out of the way and drop the penny into the cup. You have to move quickly enough to slow, and the penny will move with you, and that's not what you want to have happen. Just like that. Now you can also, instead of just using the penny, you can make a cardboard loop and make it slightly more difficult. What I've done here is I've taken a cereal box, I have cut a strip out of it, then using tape, you're going to want to tape it into a loop. All right. And then place it across the top with the penny like that. Then you're going to take a pencil and you're going to knock the loop out of the way. Okay? So move it straight to one side really quickly. Just like that. And that's it for inertia. If you guys want, you can try different variations of this. You can go right ahead. At home, using maybe different objects instead of coins, maybe quarters. But try it out at home. Thank you for joining us today for our Stuck at Home Science. Good luck, and bye everyone.
Bye.